Hi, I have not found a very good tutorial or web page about the difference between these kernels. So if we type sudo pacman-s linux xanmod, yes, we can install them, but what's actually the difference between them? And the xanmod.org is the website, right? But also there we have an idea, but not really technical and not too technical because I'm a noob and all this, right? But I'd like to know, in short, why I would use Anbox and why I would use RT or why I would TT or why just the normal one or the LTS one, right? It's lots of choices, 5 kernels, what to choose. So in that regard, I thought let's do see if we can find some information if we build it, right? So we have the xanmod kernel, and if I would start building this thing, but then I should not have the ArcoLinux repos because he wants to get it from there. So without S we can do that as well. Otherwise I go to the ATT and I say to the ArcoLinux repos, you're out for a moment, right? This works as well. Then I need to go all the way up and, well, look for the number on the AOR. So 12, it starts here with xanmod headers. So what if I find xanmod somewhere? xanmod git rog LTS. Let's do the LTS then first. Number 15. So the idea is build it, stop. What happens? Let's see what I did here. Was Paru. So I go to cache. It's either Paru or VA, right? Choose, clone. And we have here the Anbox already there and the LTS is already there. So what am I missing? The TT, for example. TT. Number 2. Yes. And now I stop everything. So the TT, there's the RT, and that's number 2 again. And then simply, can we just get the Linux xanmod as well? Would be nice. Number 2. Okay. So basically, this is what we have now. Now this is too much to do a melt on because maximum is 3. So what's the difference between xanmod and Anbox? Then you compare. And then you see here the xan add system config to disallow unprivileged, lots of things. It's a patch. Our default behavior continues to match the vanilla kernel. Unprivileged, when this allow unprivileged users to create namespaces. And that's that, okay. Then we have this, another patch. So patching means the code that's in there is going to be replaced with other code. This is the typical DWM, DWM dusk thing, right? It's patching. Okay. And the package build itself, a different name, different description. So we have to Google what mem, probably memory, and binary means. That's enabled, current stable. He's gonna go to Anbox, and here we have some stuff. So Anbox compatibility, scripts. We have scripts. Oh my god. So okay, I think the stairs are broken now. So scripts. Config enable config mem android. So okay, it's clear. Anbox has to do something with Android, yeah, binder and so on. And then we go on. The name change, mem binder. So next up is probably the scripts somewhere, right? If it starts, it's not there yet, the scripts, I think. But if it starts downloading things, it's gonna use these guys and the scripts that will come down. Okay, so this is how I would investigate, right? You can do this with anything. Here are some differences. They give it a different name, and the architecture is here different. Okay, and then the package build. This batch is not in. And then we try to read, right? As I'm out of my comfort zone, and that's okay, right? Because if you don't get out of your comfort zone, you never learn. So you just have a look at all these codes and think, okay, fine, not getting it, but okay, fine. There are differences between these two guys. What's this different? Okay. This guy and that guy, RT, that's a new one for me, never compared this before. Package build. This is the edge branch, but that does not exist anymore, I thought, but okay. Maybe this is just text, right? It's just blah blah. So, might not matter at all. Version 2, so still text. Version 1, version 2. RT. Is this the old edge? Might be possible. Fun, right? Version 2. And the last one, TTT. Never looked at that one as well. Oh, time to go for me. So let's finish this video. So here's a bunch of code. That's gone. TT. It's 5.15, not 6. And long-term LTS, right? Support is 1 as well. That's in that numbering system. LLVM. And then you Google for words, right? What does this all mean? What does it all mean? And that's a matter of time and getting good hits on Google or DuckDuckGo. Voila. So this is one of the ways that I would keep track of things, and I do hope, and that's a question for you guys, if you got proper resources telling us what's the difference between all these guys, would be nice. So put it underneath the YouTube video so we can become smarter, all of us. All right, cheers.